Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Sanki Vraja token. Now this token was trending number 1 a second ago, now it's trending number 2 on pinksale.finance. There's 6 days left of this pre-sale, but it looks like they're going to sell out probably within the next day. This token is doing amazing right now. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second here. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box for the best crypto apps. Go and check those out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Sanki Vraja will capitalize on humor like never before. So this seems to be like a... I was looking at their Twitter earlier, and it says they're from Romania. And this must be like a meme or some kind of Romanian popular thing. It kind of looks like The Matrix. Probably has to do with some other person that's from Romania in The Matrix. You know what I'm talking about? That guy? No, I don't know. But it looks like this is definitely like a popular thing. But probably like an anime cartoon. That's what I would assume. I don't watch anime, so I don't know anything about anime or cartoons or anything like that. I just do crypto, bro. So here we are. Sanki Vraja will capitalize on humor like never before. Sanki Vraja is an original meme coin that aims to revolutionize the meme culture in the crypto world. But its philosophy has true ancestral roots. Built on the principles of humor, engagement, and community, Sanki Vraja meme coin offers a unique and entertaining experience for crypto enthusiasts and others. Join us for the newest meme experience. So basically that was their intro, and they didn't really say anything about the token besides it's a meme token and they're going to do stuff. But like what are they going to do, right? So I'm assuming that this is just a popular anime character and it's doing amazing. This pre-sale is doing amazing. They don't have an audit listed on here. They don't have a KYC, Seifu badge, a Docs badge. They don't have really any sort of like good security on this project at all. And it's up trending number 1 and number 2 and selling out like crazy fast. And there's still 6 days left of this pre-sale. You wonder what is going on here? Why is this token selling out so fast? It's got to be just a popular meme or anime in other places in the world, because I'm from Canada. Never heard of it. So that's what it's safe to assume that this is just a popular name and people are going, oh, this is going to be a popular token based off the name. I better invest in it because I know other people are going to invest in it just based off the name. That would make sense. But I mean, if you guys know why this token is so amazing, leave a comment, obviously. But yes, Sanki space Vraja is the name of the token. Sanki, S-A-N-K-I, is the ticker symbol. By the way, I'm probably mispronouncing it. So they have a public pre-sale, minimum buy 0.1 BNB, max buy 3 BNB. So far they've had 433 different contributors. And this token is selling like hotcakes. There's only, like the hard cap for this pre-sale is 600 BNB. And they're almost there, and they still have 6 days left. So they're going to sell out, I'm sure, way before 6 days is up. And initial market cap estimate right now is $440,763. Now, it says there's 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 888 million tokens, 409,800,000 tokens for pre-sale, 180,234,000 tokens for liquidity. So soft cap for this pre-sale was set at 250 BNB, and they've already sold 469.2 BNB. So they're way past their soft cap. Hard cap 600, so they only have like 130 BNB to go until they're sold out. And you can see the numbers just going up as I'm doing this video here. That's how fast this token is selling. So if you missed this pre-sale, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to Pancakeswap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding Pancakeswap, and then trading your BSC for the Sanki token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, sankivraja.com. And you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. We'll try to find that. And it says liquidity will be locked for 528 days. According to their token metrics pie chart here, it says 46.1% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 20.2% of the tokens go to liquidity, and 33.5% of the tokens are unlocked. So that's a big amount of tokens that are unlocked, so just be aware of that. There is a quick audit. Now, there's not a full audit that I could see or a KYC or anything, but there is a quick audit. There's no bad warnings on the quick audit. It says owner can't pause trading, owner can't blacklist wallets, owner can't mint new tokens after initial deployment, owner can't set max transaction amount, and owner cannot set fees over 25%. So those are all good check marks there. Now, if you go to their webpage, basically, their webpage is pretty blank. You're going to find most of the information on their socials. So all it says on their webpage, if you go to sankivraja.com, it says, Sanki Vraja, let's capitalize on humor in unimaginable ways that are fair to the entire community. You can definitely tell that this is translated. And it says pre-sale time, pink sale. It's got a link to pink sale. Then it's got the token address. And it says, don't send money to this address. Go to Pink Sale and get the token there. And then they have a link to Twitter, Telegram, and Facebook page. So if you go to their Twitter, 572 followers. It says they're from Romania. They just joined in May 2023. And 56 tweets so far. And almost all the tweets are in different languages. Well, there's some that are in different languages here. They keep retweeting somebody named Master Kenobi. So maybe Master Kenobi is involved in this project. That would be safe to assume because they retweeted him like almost every tweet is them retweeting him. And it says there is a roadmap and white paper either coming soon. Oh, there it is. Okay, so they have, all the information seems to be on their Twitter, which is strange here. So it says max, we already went over all that. Pre-sale 44%, LP 51%, 34% are unlocked, and then it goes over. So they're going to have central exchange listings. 9% of those unlocked tokens will go to central exchange listings. 15% of those tokens will go to marketing and business development. And then we got 10% going to the founding teams that gets unlocked in a 72-month period. But, I mean, they're all unlocked right now, so they still have to lock all the tokens before they could start unlocking them for the vesting period. So tokenomics are on their Twitter. You could check that out. Now, it says there was a roadmap somewhere. I do not see the roadmap. Let me try to click on a couple of these tweets here. Show more. Okay, so this could be it. So they have just a little, it says, we are a group of several crypto influencers. Together we can create some hype 50 to 100 times. There's not much of a roadmap here. They just got some kind of vote here. Yeah, so it looks like this Master Kenobi guy is involved in the team here, and he's doing, you can find him at BTC_masterplan. And so he's doing a lot of the tweeting here for this project. And their Telegram group, 267 members. So most of the info is going to be on their Twitter, and Pink Sale is where you can find all the info. But yeah, I don't know why this token's doing so well. To me, there's not much to it. It looks like it's just based off the marketing and probably the popular name of whatever Sanki Vraja is. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.